Hello to all subscribers, crypto enthusiasts and investors. My name is Harry Flores and I'm happy to see you all on my channel where I'll talk about how to make money from cryptocurrency. Be sure to watch this video to the end, as in the next 5 minutes I will tell you how each of you can participate in the new airdrop and be guaranteed $500 each. And please note that the link to the official website of Airdrop will be below this video in the attached comment. Airdrop has just started, so there is still an opportunity to take part and make money. But I will tell you right away that this free buy will not last long, as the total amount is limited.
Now to the most interesting, and this is an airdrop as much as $500. As we can see, most of the coins have already been distributed, so it's worth hurrying up. Here's detailed information about the project. They announced $500 airdrop. There is a referral system. To receive, you need to connect a MetaMask. As you can see, I don't have points on my balance. Now I will receive them. We strictly follow the conditions, so that in which case we don't lose points. First, we connect a wallet, and we wait for some time. Each waiting time can be different. I like to think positively, and I think that everything will pass quickly. Great, we connected our wallet. Now let's go to the wallet. Coins have been credited, which means they received the long-awaited $500 airdrop.
I think that now we can wrap up. If you are interested in participating in airdrop, then I have shown you how easy it is. I hope you watch this video before airdrop is over, so hurry up to go to the official website of airdrop, clicking on the link in the attached comment below this video, join and get a very nice bonus. That's all for now. Thanks for staying on my channel. I will try to find as many ways to make money on cryptocurrency as I can, and I will definitely share it all with you.